Welcome to Scholarly versus Popular Articles. This tutorial contains basic information about popular and scholarly journal articles. Students viewing this tutorial should gain valuable tips and learn how to differentiate between popular and scholarly articles. Students will expand on information gathering and researching through this tutorial. What is the difference between popular and scholarly articles, and why do you need to know? Because, when writing a research paper or conducting research, it is important to distinguish between scholarly journal articles and popular magazine articles. Journal articles are typically referred to as scholarly, while magazine articles are usually considered popular. There is even a third category called trade magazines or journals. They are written for professionals in a particular field, but are not strictly research related. What makes a magazine popular? A popular magazine is often written by reporters, journalists, or professional writers for a general audience. A popular magazine uses language that is easily understood by general readers. The articles in popular magazines rarely provide citations for the sources used in writing the articles. The articles are written for a general public and tend to be shorter than articles found in scholarly journals. Here are some examples of popular magazines. Family Circle, Popular Science, Cosmo, and Time Magazine are all examples of popular magazines. A scholarly journal is written by and for faculty, researchers, or scholars, people such as scientists, historians, nurses, artists, and so on. Scholarly journal articles use scholarly or technical language, and they tend to be longer articles about research. Scholarly articles include full citations for the resources consulted, and these articles are often refereed or peer-reviewed. A peer-reviewed article is one that is reviewed by specialists in the field before the article is accepted for publication. These are some examples of scholarly journals. Which type of article should you use when you have a research assignment? Both popular magazines and scholarly journals can be good sources. You need to think about how you intend to use the information you gather when you determine which type of article to consult. If you are looking for background information on a topic that is new to you, try looking in popular magazines. But if you are doing research, or if your professor said to cite scholarly resources, then use scholarly journals. Scholarly articles have a demonstrated level of authority and credibility. They contribute a great deal to the overall quality of your papers. Scholarly journal articles are unique in that they require authors to document and make verifiable the sources of the facts, ideas, and methods they used. The use of scholarly sources is an expected attribute of academic coursework. How can you tell the difference between popular magazines or scholarly journals? Popular magazines generally have an attractive appearance and will include many advertisements. These magazines are heavily illustrated and are printed on glossy paper. They do not have cited sources, or if they do cite sources, they are cited informally. These articles provide general information rather than in-depth research information. In contrast, scholarly journals generally have a sober and serious appearance. They contain few, if any, advertisements, and those that are included are small and discreet. Scholarly journal articles have the sources cited in text or via footnotes, and they include a bibliography. Many scholarly journal articles report results of original research, studies, or experiments. Please note that book reviews and editorials are not considered scholarly articles, even if they are published in a scholarly journal. To review, popular magazine articles are written by reporters or writers for a general audience and rarely provide citations. Scholarly journal articles are written by and for faculty, researchers, or scholars, include full citations for the resources consulted, and are often refereed or peer-reviewed. A peer-reviewed article is reviewed by specialists in the field before the article is accepted for publication. Use popular magazine articles for background information on a new topic. Use scholarly journal articles when doing research, or if your professor said to cite scholarly resources. If you have any questions, contact the librarians by phoning at 569-3299 or 569-3351, by using the Quick Answers form off the library's webpage, or by dropping by the desk whenever the library is open.